Guys, we are in a protective style maintenance week, and yes, I'll be bringing you all sorts of hairsprays you can use on your protective style so your hair doesn't get dried. So it's going to help you grow so much hair while you're in protective style. In today's video, we are using just fenugreek seeds. Yes, fenugreek seeds is one of the seeds that you always find in my home. Yeah, as you can see, I use almost like a tablespoon for not full, but it depends on the potency you want, as I always say. Yes, and also I always say that it's good to do your treatments small so you can use it for a week or 3 days and then you do another one, because if you do it so much, it's going to go bad, it's going to smell bad, and you are not going to like it. Even though you can store it in the fridge, it's going to lose its potency. So it's better to do them in small batches and then use them for a short period of time. So fenugreek seeds is also good for the hair and scalp. These are Indian herbs. You can call it methi. These are Indian herbs that are proven to protect the hair, protect the scalp, nourish the hair. I'm emphasizing on consistency. Anything that you are not consistent with, you're not going to see any results. However good the thing is, if you are not consistent with it, you are not going to see any result. Fenugreek seeds is filled with vitamins and minerals that are able to combat dandruff on the scalp. And when I say combat dandruff, I mean combat dandruff. It's a natural remedy for dandruff. Fenugreek is also high in protein, so you don't have to do this so much. I mean, you have to switch it up a bit, as I've given a lot of options here. I have fenugreek seeds, hibiscus seeds. There are so many recipes you can try. You don't need to stick to one type of spray on your scalp. Just switch it up a bit so that your scalp will not be saturated with only one nutrient. Yes. So as I did this, I infused it with hot water and then left it there for about 30 minutes for it to infuse properly for me. And after the infusion, and I was about to now start spraying it on my hair. You always have to keep up with moisturizing your hair or seasoning in the moisture with your Ayurvedic hair oils. My next batch of videos will be hair oils and hair mask. Yes, so you can do Ayurvedic hair oils and then seal in the moisture, because fenugreek seed spray alone may or will dry out your hair. So following up with an oil is also very, very good. One thing I've also noticed is you have to make sure that you protect your hair while you are going to bed, so that your bed sheet doesn't rip off all the moisture that you have tried or struggled to put into your hair. You can do this every other day, meaning Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, depending on what you are looking out for. Yes, and I'm stressing on the fact that you need to switch up your treatment. Don't use fenugreek seeds throughout the month. You have to switch it up a bit so that you know that okay, you are getting different nutrients. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. Is this something you'll be trying? Let me know. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video if it was beneficial to you. Please do well to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Till next time, bye.